Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving problems on length of tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal. Okay, here we have three problems friend. So those three problems I am going to solve right now. What is the first problem you see? Show that the length of subtangent at any point on the curve y is equal to a power x where a is greater than 0 is a constant. Okay, next second problem is find the length of subtangent subnormal at a point of the curve y is equal to b sine x by a. Now third problem is show that at any point x comma y on the curve y is equal to b e to the power of x by a, the length of subtangent is a constant and length of subnormal is y square by a. So these three problems now we are going to solve in this video. Okay, coming to the first problem, show that the length of subtangent at any point on the curve y is equal to a to the power of x is a constant. Friends, here keyword is what? We need to find out a length of subtangent for the curve y is equal to a to the power of x. You observe friends, given problem is y is equal to a to the power of x. This is in the form of y is equal to f of x. When the curve y is equal to f of x form, then we have a length of subtangent which is equal to y divided by m, where m is the slope, or we can say m is equal to dy by dx. Simply we can also say f dash of x. So consider the given curve y is equal to a to the power of x as equation number 1. Now what I required actually m. M is nothing but what? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Then you will have m is equal to dy by dx. This is equal to a to the power of x derivative. What we have? A power x into log a. Okay friends. Now I know the what is the value of y and m. Consider this as equation number 2. Now substitute in a length of subtangent. Now I am writing length of subtangent is equal to mod y by m, which is equal to what is y we have? Y is equal to a to the power of x from the equation 1 and m is equal to what I have? A to the power of x into log a. Friends, you observe here numerator is containing a power x and denominator is also containing a power x. Then you will have numerator and denominator a power x getting cancelled. Then 1 divided by log a. If a is a constant, then log a is also obviously constant. Then you will have 1 by log a is what? A constant. This one only we have to prove or not? Yes or no? You see, we have to prove length of subtangent is a constant. Next, second problem. Find the length of subtangent and subnormal at any point on the curve y is equal to b sin x by a. Given curve is y is equal to b into sin of x by a. We need to find out length of subtangent and length of subnormal. Okay friends, if the given curve is in the form of y is equal to f of x, then length of subtangent formula we have y by m, where m is a slope which is equal to f dash of x, or else you can say dy by dx. Both are same friends. Next, length of subnormal. Length of subnormal formula we have y into m. You can take mod. It's not an issue. Okay na friends. So first consider the given curve as equation number 1. Now we need to find out m. So for that we have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Okay. Now if you are differentiated, then you will have dy by dx is equal to, friends, here b is a constant, sine derivative is cos of x by a into inner derivative is x derivative is 1 into constant is 1 by a. So dy by dx is equal to, so what you can actually dy by dx as m, which is equal to, here you have 1 by a, here you have a b. So b by a cos of x by a. Friends, you see, have you y value? Yes. Have you m value? Yes. Consider this as equation number 2. Now what we need to find out? We have to find out length of subtangent. Length of subtangent formula we have mod y by m. So which is equal to mod of, what is y you written? B into sine of x by a whole divided by, what is m you have? b by a into cos of x by a. Okay friends, here numerator b and denominator b getting cancelled. This is a in the denominator again 1 by a you have, so you can take it as a numerator mod a into sine of x by a into cos of x by a. So you can say tan of x by a or not. Yes, tan of x by a. So if you simplify, then you will have length of a subtangent is a into tan of x by a. Clear friends? Next what we need to find? Length of subnormal. Okay, length of subnormal formula we have mod y into m. So write down what is the y? Y is equal to b into sine of x by a into what is m you have? M is equal to b by a into cos of x by a. Okay friends, now here b into b square, so you can add b square outside by a into here you have a sine of x by a into cos of x by a. You can stop here. Otherwise friends, you have a formula. Which formula? You recall this formula? Friends, we have a formula sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. So multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Then you will have length of subnormal is equal to b square by 2a into sine 2a. So sine of 2x by a. That's it friends. So this is called what? Length of subnormal, and this is called length of subtangent. Now coming to the third problem. Friends, third problem they are given. Show that at any point x comma y on the curve y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a, and the length of subtangent is a constant, and length of subnormal we have to prove y square by a. So friends, here by the observation we can say given curve is y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a. Consider this as equation number 1. Now what we need to find? First one, length of subtangent. This one we have to prove. Tell me friends, what is the length of subtangent we have? Length of subtangent formula is mod y by m. Next what we need to find? Length of subnormal we have to prove y square by a. Length of subnormal formula is mod y into m. So we have to simplify this. For that we need to find out the slope. So how you can get slope here? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Yes or no? With respect to x of on both sides. Then you see dy by dx, which is equal to b is a constant. Now e power bracket derivative is e power bracket into bracket derivative. Bracket what I have here? X by a. So 1 by a is a constant. X derivative is 1. 1 into 1 base 1 by a. So if you simplify this, then you will have slope is we can denote with m, which is equal to what actually? 1 by a into b, that is b by a into e to the power of x by a. Okay friends, now use the formula. Which formula we have to use? Length of subtangent first. Length of subtangent formula we have mod y by m. Okay now, what is the y? B into e to the power of x by a whole divided by m means b by a into e to the power of x by a. From this you tell me friends, actually numerator b e to the power of x by a and denominator b e to the power of x by a both are getting cancelled or not? Yes, then you will have this a is in the denominator. Okay, so it will become in the numerator. This is mod a. Is what actually? Is a constant or not? Is a constant or not? Yes, is a constant. So we are proved first condition. Now coming to the second one. What is the second one we have to prove? Length of subnormal we have to prove y square by a. Okay, write in the formula. Length of subnormal is equal to y into m. Okay, now mod. What is the y actually? Previously what we written? B e to the power of x by a. M what we have? B by a e power x by a. But here we have to prove y in terms of y, not in terms of e power exponential terms. Yes or no? So y you keep as y only. Next from this what you can write? M, you tell me friends. M is this one you observe. What is the numerator? B e power x by a is nothing but y by a or not? Yes. So this is m is equal to y by a. If you multiply it, then you will have y squared by a. So we are proved or not? Yes. Like this, we have to solve the length of subtangent subnormal formulas. From these three, you will get one short answer question, friends. Thank you for watching this video.